And breaking news coming in from the Saket court in Delhi. The arguments from both the defense and the prosecution are over. But we are getting to know that the verdict, the quantum of sentence, will now be delivered on Friday. That's what we've got from the court. Remember, since morning, both the prosecution counsel as well as the defense counsel were giving their side of the argument. The prosecution said this is the rarest of rare cases. It deserves the death penalty for all the 4 convicts. They said when they didn't show mercy to the victim, then no mercy should be shown to them. On the other hand, the defense counsel kept repeating that the life sentence is the norm, and in this case, the rarest of rare cases clause should not be put in. Preeti.
Well, the latest breaking news that we're getting in, we can confirm to our viewers who are joining us at this point of time, who've been with us through this coverage on the quantum of sentence which was to be announced today. Well, now the latest date, Friday the 13th, 2:30 p.m. is when the quantum of sentence in Jyoti's gang rape and murder case will be announced. The Honorable Judge just said that after the prosecution and the defense concluded their arguments. Friday the 13th, 2:30 p.m. is when the quantum of sentence would be delivered. I'd like to cut across to Ankit Tyagi, who's been in this packed courtroom ever since arguments started today morning after the verdict was delivered yesterday. Ankit, get us up to speed with the latest. It seems 2:30 p.m. all eyes trained on the 13th this Friday.
Well, absolutely. Both the sides concluded their arguments. It took a long time for the defense to conclude their arguments. They went on for around 1 hour 45 minutes, and later the judge said that he will pronounce his judgment on at 2:30 on Friday. The judge said that he will have to apply his mind. It is a sensitive case, and also there is a demand for the death penalty in this case. So he will apply his mind and he will get back on Friday at 2:30 p.m. That is what the latest is coming for. The defense took a lot of time. All the accused, 4 of them, one by one, their defense lawyers came onto the fore, and then they started arguing.
Primarily also because the Honorable Judge needs to write down this judgment because it concerns 4 people and they're charged under Section 302. So that itself is quite time consuming, isn't it?
Well, absolutely. Remember that even the verdict yesterday was about 232 pages, and it is a very important judgment. So the judge will have to write it, dictate it, and only then it will be ratified. Remember, Preeti, just to inform our viewers that even if the judge gives them a death penalty, it will have to be ratified by the High Court within 30 days, and post that there would be a date of a sentencing be given as far as this is concerned. But as of now, we will have to wait till 2:30 on Friday to see whether the judge has bought the arguments of the defense and lets them go on a lighter sentence, or gives the capital punishment.
Right, Ankit, you were telling us the arguments given by both the prosecution and defense. Any final comments that the judge made before he closed for the day?
All that the judge said today while closing was that he has heard both the sides, and now he will be applying his mind. It's an important important judgment because maximum punishment is wanted by the prosecution. So he will get back and he will pronounce his judgment on 2:30 on Friday.